Yeah, what's up, y'all? Back with another video. The creek's pretty high right now. It's not as high as it's been at point times, but it's way higher than when we go through it normally. So I'm risking it just for you guys, because y'all always get mad when I don't go through it when it's like this. Just this one time, I'm gonna go across it and back. And since the current's flowing hard, I'd say it'll be like maybe at the screen at highest. It ain't gonna be handlebars, but that's not the problem to how deep it is. It's the current causing the four wheel to roll or float, which if it floats it might roll. I'm running 4 psi on my tires. I've been thinking about going down to 2 or 0 for a while. I know some people have told me they run 0. I ain't really tried it yet. See, it's a little bit higher and you can see the current moving. But I guess we're going through it anyways. My goal is to just keep the front down and I think we'll be fine. Oh, it's a little bit over the racks. See how it's kind of floating to the side? We're kind of out of it now, so we're fine. Oh, that wasn't that bad at all, actually. To be honest, just might have to. It's gonna be risky though, without a doubt it is. Look at how it's flowing. Thought I heard Deuce barking. I've done some stupid things on the channel, and this is probably about to be one of them. At least there's one advantage to this. The current will help boost me, so if it starts to spin, we'll be fine. I'm just gonna creep through it and ease through. I'm really not trying to sink or roll. I hear Deuce barking. I better go check that out. But first, we have bigger problems to handle, like going through this safely without rolling. Is the handlebars deep? Yeah, it is. It's almost over the winch remote. The current's kind of pushing me too. I'm barely on the gas and we're just crawling through it. No, that wasn't bad at all. How deep is this? Not bad. I'm just gonna get off so we can get up here safely and make sure we don't roll. Actually kind of fun. I know we ain't gonna be able to back in there though, because the current's just gonna keep pushing me. I might have to go back through it, I think. Oh, I hit something. I used to do before I had a snorkel. And I'm gonna act like I used to act. Pretend I don't have a snorkel. I always used to do this when it got like this. And I couldn't cross it without a snorkel. I'd always ease in. I get like right here and then come forward. The one time the deepest I got was, I came all the way up. I got like right here, right by the intake. And then I put it in first before it could shut off. I did it fast. And then I water wheeled it up and I pulled the airbox plug and it had water in it. I remember doing that. I got it up a little there. I didn't really try to lean back or nothing, so that was okay. This right here is deep. It's about to get to the racks. Watch. No, I'm just playing. This is just like a little puddle. I don't feel like school tomorrow. I ain't even gonna lie. I never really feel like school though, so it's a normal day. I think Deuce wants to race. Dude don't even know which way we're going. Alright, let's look at how bad the road is first, because I used to do this all the time before I even had waders. I'd just go in Crocs and shorts when it was this time of year and it would be really cold. But I'd still do it, don't ask me why. And I'd always lose my Croc and I have to reach around and find it. Oh, the bottom is really soft right here and thick. And this is how deep it is. It's a little bit above the boots. Right here is thick. You could spin out in this easy. And what's it looking like over here? Same. Still really soft bottom. I say we make it if we hustle through it. Like, don't stop. Jack Deuce. How close is the axle to scrubbing right here? Oh, I really didn't want to roll back into rut, but it'll be alright. We'll get out. The axle's basically scrubbing. Snorkel that don't come over the handlebars, or your rad kit is if you roll it ain't gonna break your snorkel because it's gonna sit on the handlebars. But if I ever roll, it's always to the side, so I don't have to worry about it, because I don't know how people manage to like I never really do nothing that would make me roll other than donuts, and I don't understand how people roll it all the way over though. I've only rolled one time and it was to the side, and it was because I tried to go on through a piece of mud where only one tire was in the rut to go around, and the rut was too low from the spot I was on, so the tire just slid off in the full of the road. The video's on my channel. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.